KPLC.
KPLC. This is KPLC.
No, this is KETRACO.
KETRACO.
Yes,
okay, the same.
KETRACO and the Kenya together.
This is EPCO, this is KETRACO and Kenya Power. So at the end of the month, they will freeze and we all with the numbers and confirm the amount of energy that flowed from one country to the other country.
Okay.
Yes.
The point is that the 2 meters, Your Excellency, whereas the Ethiopia have a meter here, we have a meter. In Ethiopia, we have a meter and they have a meter.
Oh.
So we read both and they read both and we compare. It must be identical.
Okay.
So once a month at midnight, the meters will read at the same time and then we compare the units. They have to be the same.
You know, there are lots of laws
along the way.
Yeah.
They want to make sure that they
Not much. We see the losses there now. Very small. Not much.
2% only? 6.
Oh,
yeah, on transmission.
On high capacity line is very small.
Because I think they take it up.
If it is a normal AC, it will be much higher.
Yes.
Want to you
Proceed.
Good
Good afternoon. Ongeza sauti kidogo.
I will take you through the system overview for the interconnector between Ethiopia and Kenya. And on the right side we have the Suswa converter station. So Ethiopia converter station and Suswa converter station, they are joined together by a high voltage direct current line and HVDC line that enables us to exchange power from Ethiopia to Kenya. So from this system here, the control room, we are able to monitor live. So we are able to monitor the parameters as they occur, as they change, and you're able to intervene if required. At the moment, Ethiopia is exporting 200 megawatts, and we are receiving 195 megawatts. So this also we are able to see here, and we're able to coordinate in case there is any issue. So commercial operation of the station started in December 2023. This was after a period of trial operations from January 2023 to December. The station was under trial operation just to monitor all the parameters are okay.
So 2 months ago.
Yes, 2 months ago.
It went a commercial.
Yes. But prior to that, there was power exchange between the two countries just on trial operation. Then as part of monitoring, we have several screens that are displayed here. All of them.
What is that first? What is that? Is that the whole line from that is just around here?
For this,
Yes, that's
these screens are just for the converter station.
okay.
So here the different screens are just for monitoring purposes for our staff who are sitting at the converter station to make sure all subsystems
Are these screens live?
Yes,
That's 5 megawatts we are dropping because of losses. Out of the 200%, 2.5% losses.
Your Excellencies, after receiving the power in HVDC, we now convert it to HVAC and then connect it to our grid. So on the Ethiopian side, they have HVAC first, they convert it to HVDC, then they transmit it over the line, then we receive it at Suswa in HVDC, we convert it to HVAC, then connect it to our network. This installation for conversion, you'll be able to physically see it once we complete the presentation here. The equipment are down.
Good.
Thank you.
Your Excellency, we proceed.
Not yet. We just came to see. We need a ceremony.
Yeah, I think ceremony is
These two guys say they need a ceremony.
I thought this is the official commitment.
No. So the line comes from.
Those are the two lines.
Oh, that is the one from Ethiopia.
That's the town. That's the town in town. That 1,047 kilometers.
It right here.
Yes, that is it here. And then there's one pole that goes to the converter hole. The one goes to the hole. Then we have what we call the ground return. The line between the small one goes on the other side of the mountain, so they have a similar in Soda. Yes, return the water line. Then maybe the AC system. Now when you go inside, you'll notice that convert from DC to AC, there's equipment that has to be kept quite at a closer temperature. Okay. So we have to get the ionized water at 16 degrees. Currently, I think for the water output is 46 degrees to ensure that that conversion is done at constant temperature. And it's again come back and circulated.
So we have these radiators for cooling.
Yeah, of course, this is our line that we use to supply another areas, right? Yes. But now it will also carry the one for Arusha. Yeah. Great.
We have those two main lines. That line on the left is the bigger Nairobi North line.
Okay.
The one that currently carrying about 60% of the power
Nairobi.
The other one, the one that goes to Sinya, then branches off to Arusha, then heads straight on one side to and on the left again heads to Kongo.
Yeah.
Yes. And that line eventually, by the end of the year, won't push it at 400. One side right now is powered at 400, but both sides now will be powered at 400 together with as much power as possible to that side. Then the smaller line that goes that way, the one that you can see on the far right, is the ground electrode. Yes, the ground electrode.
To do what? To stabilize the
engineer.
There are two ways to bring power from Ethiopia and the HVDC system. We say the capacity is 2,000 megawatts. That means one pole can carry 1,000, the other pole can carry 1,000. Now, with the DC system, you have to turn the power, like a battery circuit, it has to be completed. So it takes somewhere under the ground, it goes and it comes out in Sondo, the ground. So that's why we have prepared it. But right now,
but there is no line.
We don't use it in the bed. Others are like that way of encouraging.
2,000 megawatts. 2,000 megawatts. Yes. We can push 2,000 megawatts from.
You know, this converges from.
We are currently handling 900 megawatts. From Kenya, from Ethiopia, from Ethiopia,
The wind power, I was telling you, electric brings power. And then now, this is the way
Can use substation to transport to Tanzania.
Yes, the power that the next to Tanzania will be converted here. There is a line on that side.
When did that get finished?
we are doing the
Commissioning
testing now.
Just
This place becoming a hub of energy.
yes, it actually is.
This one.
You see, now the connection to Tanzania, you can take power to DRC,
And to the South African power.
and then to where you are saying, Zambia, Mozambique, you can take power
All the way down.
Yes.
Because, Your Excellency, the South African power has a deficit of power. So through this line, you can be able to push 400 megawatts to Tanzania.
Yes.
Then they push to Zambia. Yeah.
Kuja namba hii. Who is the owner of the story?
So welcome to Suswa Substation, Your Excellency. This is one of the other substations in the region, not just in Kenya. We currently, like I said, handling 890 units from Ethiopia every day during the day and 65 megawatts during the night, in line with the PPA that we signed in 2021-22. The Excellency was a PPA which is undersigned after the bilateral agreement between Ethiopia and Kenya, which was negotiated between the year 2006 and 2008, and signed for 400 megawatts.